Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. SUPERJARE kitchen baker's rack with power outlet, coffee bar table 4 tiers, kitchen microwave stand with 6 S-shaped hooks, kitchen storage shelf rack for spices, pots and pans rustic brown. Handy power outlets, protected by the patent. Grab this kitchen storage rack with 2 power outlets and an air switch button. No need to move your coffee makers, toaster, or bread maker to get charged. Enjoy tidy kitchen time in a breeze. Removable shelf, can store higher mini fridges on baker's rack with storage? Of course. Just install shelves to different pre-drills for different storage heights. Spacious open 3-tier shelves totally hold your coffee maker, microwave, and spice pots. And 6 S-shaped hooks beside hang your mugs, spoons orderly, etc. Not only a kitchen rack, be it a snack rack, coffee bar, flower rack, or study decoration rack, this kitchen shelf organizer rack can meet all. And the vintage wooden grain contrasts beautifully with black legs, fitting your room easily. Built to last, this durable microwave stand with storage combines a strong steel frame with sturdy P2 particle board for. Thanks for watching and subscribe.